Every time you search something on your iPhone, you might think it's just for you. But what if I told you? Your iPhone can show content from external sources. It can suggest things based on your activity, and in some cases, your searches may even be stored to improve the system. Today, I'll show you three hidden iPhone settings that you should turn off right now to make your search more private and less tracked. Let's get into it. Alright, follow me step by step. Open the Settings app. Scroll down a bit. Tap on Search. Now you'll see several options, and these are the ones most people never touch. The first option is Show Recent Searches. Turn this off. When this is turned on, your recent searches appear when you open Search. Anyone using your phone can instantly see what you searched for. Even if it's something small, it's still your private activity. Turning it off means your search history won't be shown. Your activity stays more private. Next, you'll see Show Related Content. Turn this off as well. When it's on, your iPhone shows content from Apple and its partners. This can include suggestions when you search something, look up text, or even scan objects in photos. Why turn it off? It pulls in external content you didn't directly ask for. It may use your activity to suggest things, and it reduces your control over what appears in search. Turning it off gives you cleaner search results, less influence from external sources, and more control over your experience. Now scroll down to Help Apple Improve Search. Turn this off. Apple says it stores your searches from Safari, Siri, and Spotlight. The data is not linked directly to you, but here is the reality. Even if it's anonymized, your search data is still being collected and stored. It's being used to improve Apple's systems. Turning it off means your searches stay more private. Your data is not used for analytics, and you reduce unnecessary data sharing. Now let's be clear. Apple is known for strong privacy policies, and they say this data is anonymized. But if you prefer maximum privacy and control, these are settings you should turn off. And that's it. Three simple settings, but they can make a big difference in your privacy. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with someone who cares about privacy, and subscribe for more iPhone tips like this. I'll see you in the next one.